Hi guys, let's do some other Python tutorials and let's discuss with other data types, list, tuple, and dictionary. But before that, I'm gonna show you what is dictionary and list and tuple. Example, again, put a variable but with enclosed with parentheses. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You are storing different any kinds of numbers here, and see, let's find what kind of data type is this. Okay, the result is tuple. In this format here, enclosed with parentheses, it's called tuple. If okay, there is if if I put like this, another type, the result will be list. The format using this square bracket called list and storing still any kinds of numbers, any much you want, and then again I put some variable and okay, this format, and then one comma string second, two, and third string third. Okay, this kind of format will be its data type. Okay, sorry. Its data type will be deck means a dictionary. This format using this curly bracket have its colon here in every. It's like you're storing some key value pairs in the dictionary. Okay, let's do that. Okay, first I'm going to show what's the function of a list. Let's put okay, cache. Cache, in an example, I have a cache of in Monday 100, then 50 in Tuesday, and 60 and Wednesday, and 70 and Thursday. Okay, but I'm gonna use list first. Let's get that with the list. Okay. Now let's see the result first. If I print cache, this will be the result. Okay, here, see, this is the list, and you have input. I have input store many different kind of numbers here, but there are many kinds of way to manipulate list. For example, cache that pen. Append means that I'm adding some other value in the list. Okay, if I put 80, the result will be okay. Here, it default to the last index of the list. Okay, and other is if I put function. Insert function is like also append, but in insert you can choose where part you want to insert it or to add it. For example, by using the index coordinates, you start from, I recall this will be 0, 1, 2, and 3. If I put 3 here in the index 3, this will be the 3, right? So the result will be exactly 80 insert in the index number 3. Okay, understand? And other way of manipulating a list, I use this function up. It means that I'm gonna delete something from the list. For example, if I'm gonna delete 100, result will be okay. If I'm gonna put this 0 by using index, so the result would be okay. Here, see, the 100 was deleted. And somehow you can use loop in list. For example, for I in cache, okay, range of the cache, starting from the index 0, the I stands will be in the cache. The result will be see, print from the starting 0, 1, 2, and 3. So 0 will be 100, 1, 5, 2 is 60, and 70 is the index number 3. If you want to total that, if you have other variable, add some other variable, and okay, cache 0 plus plus so much to use this. Okay, wait. Cache 1 plus cache 2 plus cache 3. Okay. The result will be adding the value using in the list, you must put the coordinates, and now okay, the result of after total of the value inside the list is 280. Yes, let's add cache 1 plus 400 plus 50 plus 60 and plus 70. The result is 280. But there is another way, because this kind of code is somehow tedious using long. Can use for loop to much better, much simpler print. For I in range, for I in cache. Okay. So cache I. For example, this many of this is the total equals 0, so 0 plus I plus the total of the value of the is looping and looping and until it's out of range, and then it will stop and will result of its total. Okay. Okay, let's see the result. Now I print function the variable thought, because by assigning the variable thought, you have a value of the total cache using loop. Okay, let's see the output. have the same result. And you only use a short code using for loop. Okay. Now let's go with the topic of tuple. And tuple, as I recall earlier, using this format, parentheses, it should be the loop. Unlike list, loop you cannot manipulate it, can't append or insert, because loop is immutable. Tuple is immutable, and but somehow a tuple can use range too, or and cache. Okay, I result will be okay. See, it can also use for loop. Inside of the tuples is always use an index starting from 0 again, circle 1, 2, and 3, increment, and then it form like this after looping. And if you want to print cache, print the tuples. Okay, can always use this. The result is here. Okay, that's it for this tuple. Now let's go with dictionary. Dictionary, somehow you are assigning some key and their value. Example, some prices of items. For example, okay, rice. Wait, rice. For me, 1K also 50 pesos. Fish. Okay, let's put fish now is somehow 160 per kilo. Okay. Veggies or vegetable. Put I buy, because I like vegetables, I buy club 170. Then for fruits, I put, I don't like much fruit, so I use 100. Okay. And this format, as I recall, there will be dictionary using this curly bracket. If I print cache, if I print cache, the result will be, wait, okay, here, that was the input, everything in that dictionary print, but still you can use for loop to print it easier. Example for item, so much easier to understand. Can use anything in this variable, can change anyone you want, but I use item so you can much understand. In cache, okay, print item. The item would be this first k value, this fish, rice, veggies, because it will be the index of each range, okay, and the item will be that, and then let's put some string, price, okay, because that item, okay, inside now, and every coordinates of indexing in the range of every item, starting from this 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now, okay, let's see the result. See, exact. You can read much better if you use for loop. Fruit have a price of 100, rice a price of 50, and fish a price of 160. The price of 70. Okay. Okay. Now you can manipulate also the dictionary. For example, if you want to add from the list of my items to buy, cash, okay, mm, drinks, okay, drinks, cost, so much price, and its price will be um, 80, and print cash, the result will be okay, using bracket. The result would be here. I add drinks here. As you observe, when you print a dictionary, it returns to a random arrangement. Here it will start with rice, veggie, fruit, and this start the second when I print it. It will start with fish, rice. That's a random way of printing the dictionary. Okay, and the drinks I have insert here. So now if I want to delete something, delete rice, the result will be see, the rice from the statement have gone from the value of the dictionary cache. This only remains. Okay, that's all for right now in this dictionary. I hope you learned some from this topic, and thank you for watching.